Hi everyone, welcome to the unboxing and review of the ZarkkA wireless sport headphones. You can get this product on Amazon for about $17. Check out the link in the description. The Bluetooth headphones come with a micro USB charging cable, 3 different sizes of earplugs, a user manual, and a thank you gift. My first impression is very positive. It looks like this is a good quality product. First, I fully charge the Bluetooth headphones and it takes between 1 and 2 hours. Now I try to connect the Bluetooth headphones with my smartphone and listen to some music. It is very easy to connect and only takes a few seconds. I tested the Bluetooth headphones for about a week with my smartphone and my computer, and I think it's a very good product. It's lightweight and comfortable to wear, the sound quality and the microphone quality are very good, and thanks to the large capacity battery, I can listen to music up to 12 hours. So if you're looking for some inexpensive but good quality Bluetooth headphones, I would recommend the ZarkkA wireless sport headphones. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product, and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.